Well, good morning. We're back out for another day on the 120 bird challenge with Dad. Where is he? Can't even see him. There he is. And we've made our way to RSPB Leighton Moss today. We started out just outside of the reserve, and we're just checking out a field of geese that we saw on the way in, hoping for a Russian white-fronted goose, possibly, or even just some pink feet, because we haven't got them on the list yet. But we are heading out here. You'll probably be able to see all the geese. We're just going to have a quick scan, see what we can see, hoping for a white-fronted, and then we'll get back to you. So yeah, see you soon. Well, no luck on the white-fronted goose front, no pun intended. There was just a field full of greylags. So we're going to head down towards the first hide and see what we can see. So checking the tides, apparently we've got a 9.7 metre high tide today, so which should force all the waders back towards us. So we'll hopefully get a decent count of some waders there. How many of them will be new for our 120 list, I do not know. But either way, it'll still be a good day's birding. So we're about to head into our first hide of the day. I don't know how busy it's going to be, so I might have to do some whispering when we get inside, but I'll keep you up to date with what we see. So we've had a good start. Talking to the camera. We've had no, not you, unfortunately. We've had a good start. We've only been in the hide for about 15-20 minutes. We've seen marsh harrier. That was really good. I stuck around for a while. There was a little egret right in front of the hide, just fishing, probably 5 metres in front of us. That was really good. Plenty of widgeon, teal, a few red shank, shoveler, pintail, a couple of lapwing, and then a great white egret quite far away. Got a curlew feeding on the bank. At the minute, there's nothing new to add to our list. What's that? Crow. So yeah, we'll keep looking. I'll bring you back later on, let you know what else we've seen. Well, that was rather an enjoyable experience. Got quite a few birds, really good views of a little egret that was just right in front of the hide. That was really, really nice. There was a marsh harrier flying quite far away. Got some footage of it, but it was really nice. Good 40-45 minutes just having a scan. It was just a little bit chilly. Wind was blowing right in. So we're going to head back and then want to drive on up to Leighton Moss and see what we can see there. So I'll check back in with you soon. Why is it that I always bring us to dodgy places? Yeah, you're alright. Nice.
White's head on that.
Yeah, I think you can just about see it. I'm having to film on my phone, but 2 marsh harriers just flying about. There's one there, and there's one still just over the field, slightly too far away and over the marsh. It's gone down now, but yeah. We've not seen marsh harriers for years.
Yeah.
And then 2 weekends on the bounce, or 2 sessions on the bounce, we've seen, how many is that now? 4?
4 or 5. That would
5?
You can see the golden coloured creamy head thing on that.
Yeah, it was really good, really close. So yeah, excellent, great start. So we're just about to head into Leighton Moss Reserve now. One of my earliest birding memories was coming here, and I think you signed me up for the RSPB here, because I remember us getting a bird book.
Yeah, I think I did.
That Colin, the black bird guide, Colin's one, and it was printed inside upside down. The cover was on sort of upside down, so you opened it, it looked like it was the right way around, and everything was back to front upside down. Yeah, that's one of my earliest memories of bird watching. I don't know why, but yeah, here we are, and I'll catch up with you when we're inside. So we've just seen on the sightings book that there's been otters feeding and playing with fish at the Causeway and Lower Hyde. So we're going to head there first, see if we can see those. Don't think we can add them to the 120 birds list, but it'd be nice to see anyway. So we'll head this way, I think. We've got a pheasant, we've got a chaffinch before we've even got in. So that's 2 new ones ready to go. I think we're up to 52 now. Great tip. I'm not sure we've got one of them either. We'll add these to the list.
Greenfinch.
Greenfinch it was, yeah.
You're on now.
We're done.
Chaffinch, greenfinch, cold tit,
Great tit. I need to
pheasant. Probably the willows in that thing.
yeah.
I don't know what the difference is.
It's marsh and willow that are similar, isn't it? Cold tit have the white bit on the back of their head. Yeah, it's a cold tit, that one.
That's a cold tit, and you've got black, that white line on that.
Yeah, marsh and willow. Apparently, willow are very, very rare, aren't they?
Yeah.
You never see them. They usually say if it's a tit that you think it's a marsh or a willow, it's going to be a marsh tit. Right, we just had a fantastic little spot out straight out of the hide, out of the visitor centre even. We saw about 5 or 6 birds that we've not added to the list. Greenfinch, marsh tit, great tit, long-tailed tit. What else did we see?
Chaffinch.
Chaffinch.
Greenfinch.
Oh, I'll have to write them all down, look back at the footage. But yeah, that was quite a good start to the day. We're going to try and head our way towards the otters now. Just got to find out where we're going first, because we haven't a clue. Oh, medic. As you can see, no bearded reedlings around, so we thought we'd be out of luck. They only come out usually first thing in the morning, we've seen online, but we wanted to go down to the other hide first, so sort of knew we wouldn't see them, but I think later in the year, sort of November time, it's probably the best time to come and see them feeding at the grit trays, so we'll come back then. We were also just discussing that actually doing the 120 bird challenge, you sort of become not desensitised, but you sort of don't...
Dismissive.
Yeah, you're a bit dismissive of birds that you've already seen, so we just seen another marsh harrier and gone, oh, what's that? No, it's just another marsh harrier. Whereas in the past, you see a marsh harrier and you're ecstatic because you've seen a marsh harrier. So I think we need to lighten up, yeah. Stop being so tetchy about the numbers and just enjoy it.
We're not twitchers.
Yeah, that's the thing. We're not twitchers. We just want to enjoy the birds that we see. So we're going to head down to the Causeway Hide and see what we can see. Hopefully get those otters and a few more birds to add to our list. We're going to head into the Causeway Hide now. Again, don't know how much noise we'll be able to make, but we'll see when we get inside. So we're in the Causeway Hide. It's got some really good views of cattle, more than I've ever seen together at once. Quite a few mute ones, tufted ducks. Got a lot of black-headed gulls. A couple of shovelers as well. A couple of coots. Nothing new to add to the list yet though. Hopefully something pops out. Could really do with a snipe or something like that. Or ideally even a bittern, something along those lines. But we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah, that's it. It keeps popping up and down. Quite far away. I'm going to try and film it, but I'm not convinced that I'll be able to get it. Got it? Yeah. Yeah, it's got a fish in its mouth. Wow. It's swimming back to shore with a fish in its mouth.
It's over the far shore.
Yeah. Wow, yeah, still fish is massive. I think it might be an eel, like they said before. Wow.
There's a lot more. So it does a long walk that day.
And it really has. Yeah, it's gone. Well, that was impressive. So Dad's just spotted what he thinks is a common gull. It does look different to the black-headed gulls around it. Like, from what he's saying, it's a small herring gull.
Black and white tail.
With the black and white tail. And it does look like that. I've got some footage of it, but I'll let you be the judge. The legs, the beak look different colour as well. So we're going to asterisk it until we get 100% confirmation, but I think that we've got a common gull. I just find gulls so hard to ID. They're so variable and different. It's got like a black tail with like a white stripe just before the end of it and a white spot on it. Sort of paley blue coloured legs and a pale beak. Pale grey back. Sort of like a mottled grey-white head. So we'll do some double checking when we get home. But yeah, I think we've got a common gull. Hide number 3 of the day, heading into Lillian's. Fortunately the batteries are going on the big camera, so I might not get some footage. I'll see what I can do. So we've just added, jeez, look at my hair. You can tell it's windy, can't you? We've just added snipe to the list, literally right in front of the hide that we're sat in. There's just one paddling around in the pools, so we've added snipe. Nothing else so far, so I think we've added 9 or 10 today to the list so far. And I can't really imagine us adding anything else. Oh, Dad, what's that there? Is it a little grebe? Yeah, it is.
Just
I was hoping for like a Slavonian grebe or something. So yeah, that's where we're at in a minute. I think that's a sign that I need to put my hat on, because it is getting absolutely freezing. The wind's picked up, so I don't think we're going to be seeing many birds flying about. They're all starting to sort of hunker down. So yeah, we'll check back in later on, see if we've added anything else to the list. So we've added jack snipe to the list. No, we've not. That's a lie. I was checking if it was a jack snipe in the book, because I've never seen one. I wanted to know what the difference was.
I wouldn't have a clue.
Well, apparently, a normal snipe, its bill is at least twice the length of its head, whereas a jack snipe is only 1.5. And then also, probably the most obvious one, a jack snipe, it's a bit smaller, and it doesn't have a middle forget what they're called, median something stripe on its head. A normal snipe, a common snipe, has like a gold stripe there. Right, fancy a wander up there?
Yeah.
That's quite impressive. We'll head up and see what we can see. You get a decent view from up here. Really nice. It is sun. And it is cold with that wind. So we'll go check, see if there's anything we can see. I think we're heading in this direction. I believe there's some hides over there. Grisdale hide. And then, I feel bad, some man's name. I can't remember his name. I'll tell you when we get there. Some man's name. But yeah, you won't be able to see it on this camera, but you can see the coastline in the distance. I'm not sure where that is. I think it might be Morecambe. Oh, Dad's joined us. He braved it. Jeez, that wind. Oh my word. Right, I think that wind means we're probably going to have to make a dash down. See you later. Tim Jackson. Tim Jackson hide. Yeah. Sorry, Tim Jackson. There he is. We'll try these two.
At least it's not a Johnson hide.
Colin Classic once again. So we're going to head to the Tim Jackson hide, and then we will see what we can see. We'll nip to the Grisdale hide, and then I think it's 100% time for a hot drink, because yeah,
Can I Ash Wednesday?
Ash Wednesday, can't do it. I can't.
I'll go to confession.
But yeah, our flask is stopped working, so we had some ice cold coffee before. Anyway, I'm going silent now. I'm going in. Catch up with you in a minute. Silence unnecessary. There's no one here.
Got a seat.
Absolutely rammed in here. Give you a little look. Come on, let's get something different. What we need is just one golden eye or a 10-minute stint. Something. Anything to add to the list. I think we're at 59, we need one more to get to 60. And then we'll be halfway there, Bon Jovi said. So, let's see what we've got.
We'll finish by March. Yes.
So we've got two more snipe.
Really, really close.
Yeah.
That isn't obviously, but when you're doing a reach, that's what they look like.
We need to find one then, don't we? Just much of a muchness around here, I think. Got a lot of shoveler again. Gadwall, teal, widgeon. Like I said, a couple more snipe. Considering we've not seen any in the last 2 weeks, and then we've seen 3 now in the last sort of half an hour. That's pretty mad.
That's a good couple of players where they are.
Yeah, that's probably right, isn't it?
Middle of St Helens isn't the ideal place.
Probably not. But yeah, like I said before, I don't think there's much chance of us seeing anything different. It seems to be everything's pretty much the same. So he is back in it again. Just there.
In the sky there.
Yeah. You can see it's golden red really well, can't you, when the sun shines on it?
Yeah.
Can't believe how many we've seen.
Well, yeah.
Whereabouts? Oh, yeah. You can just see it over the reeds, can't you?
Yeah. Yeah, it's still up to the right of that house now.
Well, I've just realised I've been making a rookie mistake. I don't know how long for, but the my microphone hasn't been turned on. So all you've probably just been hearing is wind noise. But we've just had a really good experience seeing the marsh harrier again. It was really, really close. Oh, what was that then? Did you see it? Something brown. We need a wren, so if it's a wren, that could be ideal. You see anything? Or some sort of warbler. Even a chiff-chaff will do. No. No, it must have gone all the way through. Oh well, we've both seen something, but we can't count it because we've got no idea what it was.
See 120 of that.
120 of the same bird, but not be able to say what it is. Anyway, we're going to head back, and we're going to try. I've just seen genuinely, Colin. I've just seen a bearded reedling. It's just gone in from that side to that side.
Well, then people coming now.
Yeah. Did you hear that robin is on the floor?
Yeah.
It just flew into the right.
Well, I didn't see it.
No, you didn't. I did. It just flew across. You could tell the colour of it. Hello, Mr. Robin. Well, there you go. So we've seen.
We're here.
What's that bird? On that branch there. Can you see it? Is it a dunnock? It is a dunnock. Did you see it?
Yeah, it flew
There
off.
it is.
Yeah.
Dunnock?
Yeah.
Right.
We got that last
We got
time.
that. I don't think we've got a dunnock, have we?
Yeah, I think we've got
Oh, bollocks.
that.
Oh, and me getting
Heads
excited. That's true. There's a robin anyway. Hello, Mr. Robin. Nice little tango mango, or mango tango to finish off the day. Dad's just purchasing us both a little flat white, give us the energy to get home. But it's been a really good day. The marsh harriers were fantastic. Best views I think I've ever seen of those. Really, really good.
Nice.
All fine, yeah. He thought he'd broke something as well because he got caught on something. Oh, there we go, breaking some more stuff. Oh, guess I best help him out. There you go. So as I was saying, really good day, some really good spots. I think we've added 10 to the list, maybe 9, 10. So I'll count them up. I'll put them on the screen at the end anyway, and I'll see you all again for the next one. See you later.
See ya.
Bye.